Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2016 Dodge Challenger SUPERCHARGED RT Coupe with the remainder of its factory warranty. If the iconic HEMI 5.7-litre V8 paired to a Tremec 6-speed manual is not awesome enough, how about hyping it up even more by supercharging this all-American muscle car? This modern classic has all of the street appeal and the performance to match. If you want to be seen, heard and admired wherever you go, then this RT is guaranteed to be an attention grabber. You probably are not so interested in the practicality that this Challenger has to offer, such as impressive adult rear legroom and cavernous cargo area, not to mention a smooth and comfortable ride quality, right? Okay, well, for performance, power, retro styling, street cred and tire burning thrills, you will want to make this one a top contender on your test drive list. The cabin of this 5-passenger 2-door coupe is stylish and sporty. This driver-centric interior adds extra panache with the contrasting black and ruby red suede and leather trim Napa performance seats with the RT logo. This one features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera with ParkSense rear park assist system, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Super Track Pack, Alpine audio system with 18 speakers, Harman Kardon Green Edge amp, hectic mesh interior accents, instrument panel in satin silver bezel, media hub with SD, USB and auxiliary ports, power sunroof and the quick order package 22D RT Plus. The exterior enjoys Challenger script fender badge, dual black RT side stripes, sport suspension, high performance brakes, body color spoiler and 20-inch polished aluminum hyper black classic wheels. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to rush on over and put this supercharged beast through its paces today. You will love the Tremec 6-speed manual. The Hurst gear stick makes the ride even more enjoyable with the fighter pilot look and feel. The Super Track Pack delivers a firmer and more sporty ride quality, and for such a large car, you will find it handles exceptionally well. This high-performance muscle car provides a crisp, responsive and confident drive and will deliver the full classic American muscle car experience. The ferocious rumble of the exhaust note is just the cherry on top. Don't deliberate for too long. We guarantee this one will sell fast. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352. 0352.